Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry, the topic that is about triangles. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to highlight the color. So I will hide the red color in here. We can see that we have one red triangle. And the next one, that is about the green one. We have the big triangle in here. So the question, they want to find BO. So I will put BO, that is about S. So the length of MB, that is about 15. BQ, that is about 30. And MN, that is about 48. So we can use about the ratio of two triangles with same three angles in here. So we know that BQ, MN, they are parallel. So the angle on the red one will equals to the angle on the green one in here. Similar for the second one and the red one. So because three triangles, they have the same three angles, we can create the ratio in here. That should be about OP over OM equals to BQ over MN. So OP, that is about S. OM, that is S and 15. So we have S plus number 15 in here. BQ, we have 30. MN, that is about 48. And now we can find the value of S. So I will put 48 go to the left equals to 30 multiplied by S plus number 15. So we need to expand. So I will put this one go to the left. So 48S minus 30 equals to 450. So this one we have 18S equals to 450. And now we need to divide both sides by number 18. So we calculate this one and we have 25. So that means OB equals to number 25. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.